Hey, what's up, guys? Now, in this episode, I'm gonna show you the concept of consume to create.
So here's the big question. If you are a real network marketer like us, who see that MLM is an amazing opportunity to build real assets for yourself, how to explode our team by using marketing strategies without even mentioning the MLM company we're in, or even the products. How to recruit our dream prospects into our own downlines without even depending on our family and friends, and create big incomes yet still have a lot of time to do the things that we actually want. That's the real mystery that this podcast will give you the answer. So, here's the new tactics without those old traditional MLM methods. My name is Claveria, and welcome to MLM Branding Secrets.
What's up, everybody? Now, in the past few days, I constantly ask myself, what is the fastest way to success? Right? What is the fastest way to succeed in network marketing? And how do network marketers, the real network marketers, think in the MLM industry and not a failing one? How do they think? Because how do they think will show me how they got results. Right? And one thing I notice is they always have this first thing. It's called goal setting. Right? If you've ever been into network marketing and you're just starting in network marketing, guys, chances are when you first started in network marketing, you're gonna have a goal setting session, right? So you're getting clear on what you need or what you want to accomplish in network marketing, right? So you list out all those things that uh, inspires you and motivates you to do the business. And it's getting clear on you on what you want to accomplish, whether it's a material thing, it's a personal thing, or a business thing, right? A financial thing, whatever you want to call it. You're gonna have to have goals in order for you to have a clear direction and where you want to go, right? So in this past few days, I got clear on my goals and constantly updating my goals for network marketing. As I go through to this journey and constantly learning things from other successful entrepreneurs, I constantly readjust and improve and improve and improve all the things that I've been sharing. Okay? On how I do my things or strategies, especially online. So, as I get clear on my goals, I started to notice that problems start to arise, right? Problems starts to arise. Why? You know, when I get very clear on our goals, let's say a financial goal, if I want to earn a 9-digit incomes, the answer is how can I earn that income, right? And so these problems and questions started to emerge, right? So what's the step one? What's the step two, step three, step four, step five that go through all of that? What are the steps to achieve those success? What are the steps that I need to take on in order to achieve my goals? Right? So I notice and I remember it's like in school, right? I'm not against school, right? But I saw this as an education, especially on network marketing. Instead of just an education, it's a leadership education, right? So what do I mean by that? When I first, or when someone first started network marketing, the thing is, the first thing that they need to solve in order to have or hit their financial goal or small financial goal is to have people buy the product or buy the membership package, right? To join the business. They have to earn first time in order to achieve a little or smaller goal, right? To their financial goals. So we need to be very clear on how to do the first step, right? So most problem that I notice is people are not even preparing themselves for that steps, right? So they only do what's easy, but not what's hard. What I mean by this, they don't do what required to invite people or get someone get interested into the business or find someone interested into the products or how to really do marketing online, right? So the concept of consume to create is this constant focus on those steps that you need to take in order to progress forward, right? Just like I said, is a very clear on my goal, right? Especially right now. So the thing is, the first thing that I need to solve right now is to refine our online strategies. And so to refine all those online strategies, I need to figure out what platform to choose, what strategies to choose, where will I bring the people, right? If they want to see the presentations, where will they go? Or does it, and what does it cost me, right? So I constantly progress in doing that. So instead of consuming things that is not even related to those steps, what I do is consume things and watch things, learn things that can improve those steps. Understand? Okay, what I mean by this, it's like you're giving or you're in a buffet, right? There's so many food in front of you, right? There's healthy food, there's burgers, there's vegetables, there's fruits. All the things or the foods that you want is in front of you. But your goal right now is to eat healthy, eat light so you can move fast. Let's say you're gonna go to gym later, right? You're gonna work out. So if you consume too much, you're not gonna accomplish the goal that you need to do next, right? So instead of doing and consuming all of that, you're just consuming things to create the next step. You understand? It's the same thing when doing and learning online or strategies or in your personal development. If you want to focus on improving your leadership, chances are you have to consume learnings all about leadership, right? Not consuming movies or anything not related to leadership, right? Because chances are if you waste time on things that are not even related to the steps that you need to solve, you're gonna waste a lot of time. You understand? Okay. It is for you and for us to keep moving forward step by step. Okay, let's say we solve step one. So what is step two? Right? So we need to solve step two in order to progress to step three. You understand? Okay. And as you go through steps forward, guys, especially on online, you leave clues. Right? But most people don't even take those steps. They just stay on first step or second step and then don't find ways to go to the next step. They don't even find ways to progress on their journey or strategies or upgrade even their marketing strategies or online strategies. Right? Guys, I want you to understand that even in not just in network marketing or even in life or in business, excuses are the challenges that becomes the reasons for abandoning your dreams. Right? Most people that I see in network marketing, especially in network marketers that gave up on network marketing, when I see and hear their stories, some of them are problems that are easy to solve. Right? Information is everywhere right now in the internet. They can solve it. They can just go to YouTube and find ways on how to solve that particular problem. And if they can't find it there, chances are you can just go into successful entrepreneurs and find ways on how to solve that particular problem. Right? If you don't know how to do online marketing, you can just find people who are expert in network marketing or online marketing, right? And find ways on their strategies that you can adapt into online marketing for your network marketing business. You get it? That's what I've been doing actually. I'm consuming strategies of successful entrepreneurs that I can use into my network marketing strategy. In order for me to refine all those strategies, I add, and then I subtract those complex things in order for it to make simple. Right? That's why I'm consuming a lot of things regarding online right now to solve and create that strategy. You get it? So I constantly focus on that. I don't consume news or unrelated to the things that I need to progress on. Right? We have a task, right? Let's say if you want to get 10 people right now, that's your goal. What are the things that you need to get 10 people? There's other steps, right? So there's other steps, and then you refine it as time goes by. Understand? So you only consume things that can help you move forward. That's the thing of consume to create for me, and that's the commitment is the key in here actually. Commitment to progress, because keeping learning continuously and progressing takes commitment, right? If you want to stay committed into learning, you have to develop yourself time and time again. Guys, this will also help you to never run out of ideas for content because you are consuming things, especially online. That's why the strategies that I've been using and constantly consuming and taking out all those things, the key points, the takeaways in all those successful people, and I just organize it and check things out if this is working or if this is not, right? And then discuss by it. You understand? In order for me to create the ultimate strategies, right? So that's what I've been doing in the past few days. So I also learned like this concept, like I learned like I am teaching it the next day. To understand? So I take notes in all of it, and then I also record if I can record the things. So to download all the things in my head and consume it. Yeah. And then take it all down and then share it with you guys. So there's so many notes in mine and that I want to share with you time and time again. Right? And also, it's like I have a countdown to solve the problem. Because most people, especially on the business, they don't have a particular countdown for their goal, right? Let's say this month, I'm gonna produce this particular content, right? So I have to schedule all those things and make a countdown for that, right? Focus on those activities that produces those results. Okay? So it's like a countdown. I learn like I'm gonna teach it the next day. That's one of the things that keeps me learning every single day. And that's a different state of mind of just learning and watching. Right? So I focus on the things that solve the problems, to solve the challenges of where you are. So just focus on those things and consume and watch things that can solve your immediate problems right now. And if you don't have a problem right now, you have to up your goal. You have to upgrade your goal. You have to have a very clear goal on what you want to achieve, especially in network marketing, right? Let's say if you want 100 leaders, 1,000 leaders, right? Or if your financial goal is 8 digits or 9 digits, how many leaders do you need to take on with your journey, right? And then drop it down like that. And then those problems will arise. And you just have to consume things that will help you go through your goals in order to create the clear strategy to the top. Slow and steady, but those are the processes, right? Sometimes it's a long term, sometimes it's a short term. But guys, there's no shortcut in the progress. There's no shortcut to success, but you can speed up the progress. Okay? So that's what I want to share with you guys in this video, in this episode, actually. And just consume things for the things that you want to create, right? What are the steps? Where are you right now? What are your next steps? Then consume things that will move you forward into those steps, right? So consume to create. I know it's a little vague, and I hope you learned something in this. Right. So to give you an update, guys, if I miss something or if you wanna add something, just comment it down, or give me a review on iTunes or comment it down if you're watching this on YouTube. At the same time, you can also share it in your stories in Instagram, and I'd love to give you a shout out. All right. So just tag me and everything else. And also, I'd like to give you an update into this. I've been thinking about this for a while now, and I'd like to give you guys a training, a free training actually for online marketing. Like let's say in Facebook, because there's so many spammy ways happening right now, especially on social media, right? So I'm just gonna give you ways to show you on how to market, especially on Facebook, the right way. Right? I've been testing things out actually. So the trainings that I've been doing is I'm refining it again and again. And when I organize it, I'm thinking of putting in a Facebook group actually. Okay. So it's an organic lead generation on Facebook, so you don't have to worry about it. It's a free training that I want to give you guys in order to start on your journey. Right, so there's no announcement date yet or a clear date for this because I'm constantly finding ways on what works, right? And share it to you guys. Okay, so just listen to the podcast, and I'm gonna announce it in this journey, or you're gonna know it actually. All right. So again, guys, I hope you learned something. Just share it, and then see you guys on the next episode. Bye bye.
Hey, thanks for listening. Do you want more strategies to build your own business? Then please remember to subscribe and leave feedback. Would you like me to teach your own downline 5 simple MLM recruiting tips for free? If so, then go download your free MLM branding pack today by going to mlmbranding secrets.com.